Hi everyone, it's Monica, and welcome back to TaylorMade Cards for You. So we're about halfway through my Christmas in July series, and I know I'm a day late in picking the two winners for the European Papercrafts video that I did about a week ago. But let's go ahead and talk about what you're going to win. Now I'm able to give away two of these packets, and these are craft kits called Nostalgic Christmas. And they're both exactly the same. And we offered these up to two people that put comments on the video. Now, you had to be in the U.S. because that is what the requirements were for the drawing. So hopefully the two winners that I'm picking are from the U.S. And I'm going to go ahead and use my YouTube video picker here to pick a winner, and this is going to be a random drawing. So the first winner is going to be Teresa Trump. So Teresa, I will leave information below on how to contact me so I can get you out your craft kit Nostalgic Christmas. And then let's go ahead and pick our second winner. The second winner is going to be, let's go ahead and wait for the random picker to go ahead and pick the winner. And this winner is Vaye, Vayes. So those are my two winners for the kit for the European Papercrafts video hop that we had about a week ago. I really appreciate all of the comments. And don't forget, we're going to have some more videos through the second half of the month. So don't forget to check in every Monday for sure and throughout the month, because I will be adding videos here and there. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you again next time.